Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Truth be told, a full court definitely requires a substantial amount of space. If you don't have a backyard big enough to fit an entire court, don't worry. You can always build a half court that's either 47 by 50 feet or 42 by 50 feet. Aside from overall space, DIY basketball courts must be installed on level ground.
Take our lead.
The study proved that homes with well-landscaped yards, which can include a home basketball court, had an 11.3% higher value than homes without these improvements. Forget expensive swimming pools. The new trend among upper-class homeowners is the backyard sport court.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Concrete is the first and best choice for a home basketball court. While often the most costly base option, concrete is going to give you the best performance and long-term results. A typical concrete pad for a backyard basketball court will consist of a 4 inches pad with steel-reinforced rebar and saw-cut expansion joints.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
VersaCourt is the most innovative basketball court system on the market today. With its patented interlocking system, VersaCourt provides an exceptionally uniform and durable surface, which allows for intensive activity.
Take our lead.
A basic half-court with everything installed, including the goal, costs around $10,000. He says he's done full courts costing around the $25,000 range, which are highly customized and can include a net structure around the court and a lighting system.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Concrete is considered ideal for basketball courts as a permanent structure that when done right will not require any maintenance. Asphalt is another option for base material, depending on your preference.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.